Hey, buddy. You all right? Oh, man. You all right, buddy? Well, I think you better come home with me. It'll be all right, buddy. We'll get you home. Little bug.
Nice doodlebug.
Uh-huh. Little bug. .97cc Baja. I think that's like what, 3 horsepower? I mean, this thing should fly. Paint's pretty faded. Doesn't look all rusty. I see some rust right here around the seat. I think the cable's froze up, but the motor's free. Seat's pretty trashed. All the cables are froze up. Everything seems to be here though. Yeah, I think initially we'll start to spray stuff down, try to get things moving, see if we got some spark, see if we can get the motor top off, clean that little carburetor out. Get some air in the tires. Fancy disc brakes on there. Let's get to lubing. I think that's just a suggestion. We're not going to worry about that. All right, there was a link on the, those take apart links, whatever you call them. But chain's kind of stiff in areas. We'll get this soaking, and hopefully we'll get that, we can get it all loosened up. The clutch is free. Got the gas tank off, and there's a little bit of surface rust in there. But, I mean, we'll stick a brush in there. We'll clean it up a little bit, but I'm not too worried about that. That'll be all right. Need to get a little piece of this itty-bitty fuel line. I think we can run the motor, and then we'll work on getting all these cables freed up and the kill and everything, and get some air in the tires, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'm just a little curious, see if this thing will fire. Let's put that down there. Got some juice. Oh, heck yes. Yeah, she sounds good. Get that carburetor cleaned, and she ought to run good. Sure, remember that little piece of plastic goes in there. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, that baby's froze. Oh, she's moving now. Heck yeah. All right. Let's go get this other brake cable undid, get the chain freed up, put it all back together. I think we'll be set. I need to get this mini bike running because, I can drive it down to the car, the barn, and, get stuff. It'd be like a little, like running like running errands. Not to walk so far. Kick ass. It's a start. I mean, that's not even doing the carburetor, so we'll pull the carburetor off. I had to have the choke on, and, you might just get the cobwebs out of there. Fingers crossed. Choke on. Oh. she likes to choke on. Something's still clogged up in there. No, that didn't work. Everything, just will take it back off. Do it again. Would I spend a whole 10 minutes on that? Alright, we got a little bit further. It's getting dark out. Gina wants me to come in and eat some dinner. Clutch seems to be working good. The carburetor is a little better after running it, but I guess we'll have to take it off again and we'll let it soak a little bit instead of just shooting, something through there. Shoot, we'll be in business, man. We'll be in business. But anyways, alright. Catch you tomorrow. We still got to tweak on her a little bit, but yeah, it's working. We might need to get a bigger motor because I don't know if it's just bogging down or, or maybe, but we might have to get a little bit bigger motor. Anyways, we're just jacking around. This is time to get back to work on the good stuff. So yeah, and if you feel up to it, you might hit that subscribe button. But good fun. Yeah. So I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.